Hey friend, you're welcome to this training, and in the next 12 minutes, I'll be revealing to you a secret money machine that will make it easy for you to make your first $1,000 online, make crazy sales, and smile to the bank. With this blueprint, you can turn your smartphone into a money machine that makes money in your sleep. But before we continue, I want you to take a look at some of the results ordinary people are getting with this blueprint in less than 30 days of implementation. So I have a quick question for you. What will you do if you're given a smartphone and internet connection to raise at least 500k in the next 30 days? What will you do? Well, I'm going to answer this question. I'm going to recommend affiliate marketing, and here is why. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest business model you can start with your smartphone and data connection. So this is one of the fastest growing business, and this is the future of selling. And I'm going to be explaining everything about affiliate marketing. Let's start with what affiliate marketing is not. Affiliate marketing is not a Ponzi scheme. It's not a get rich quick scheme. Affiliate marketing is not a network marketing business where you need to be referring 3 persons before you get paid. No, that's not what affiliate marketing is all about. Affiliate marketing is not a referral system. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply recommending helpful products to people who need them and get paid for every recommendation that you make. You can get paid as low as 40% to 90% commission depending on the kind of product you are promoting. Well, I know you've done this before. You wanted getting something from a particular shop, maybe a product from a particular shop, and you did not know where to get it, but your friend reached out to you and said, okay, I know where to get this stuff. So what the person did was to get the product for you and gave to you. Now what that person did there was affiliate marketing. Unfortunately, he or she was not paid for it. Too bad. Now imagine if he or she had registered under an affiliate platform and acted as an affiliate marketer to that company. He or she would have gotten a percentage commission for providing that service. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how affiliate marketing works. Now the first thing you need to understand is that there are 3 things that you need to know about affiliate marketing. Now the first one is traffic generation or lead generation, the second one is funneling, and the third one is nurturing. That's what I'm going to be explaining here. Now if you look at the top here, you're going to see a funnel. This is strangers, visitors, leads, customers, and promoters. Now the first thing you need is traffic. What is traffic? Traffic just simply means the people that will buy your product. Now you need to capture their attention, because that's what you are promoting a product, so you need attention. So the first thing you need to do is to capture attention, and the second thing you need to do is to learn how to convert attention. You understand? And this happens in the funnel. So there are a lot of places where you can get traffic. There's traffic on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, any social media handle, even physically. There are a lot of traffic sources, so you can choose 1 or 2 and work with them. Hope it makes sense. Next thing you need to do after getting traffic is to convert the traffic, which is bringing them into this funnel. Now the goal is to convert them from strangers to visitors, right, and from visitors to leads. So that is what you'll be doing, and how you do this is through content marketing, which you're going to be learning. You're going to be learning how to use content to convert them from strangers to become leads. You understand? Then finally, the third method is closing. Now this is the point whereby you convert your leads to customers, right? Now at this point here, your leads they've known you, they've liked you, and they've trusted you, so you can promote to them, right? So this is the last phase, and at this point all you just need to do is to make them to see the benefit of the product you are promoting, and if it's for them, they are going to pay for it. So you show them the value of what they are paying for, and once they see that this is what they need, they are going to pay for it. So this is the last process, which is called closing. So now we'll be looking at examples of affiliate networks. Now the first one is Digistem, and this is Digistem. This is Clickbank, Conga, we have Lenoflix, we have Espania, and we have Jumia, and we have a lot of them. All these affiliate marketing platforms are good, but I'll be talking about Digistem affiliate platform. Now Digistem affiliate platform is a platform where you can earn in dollars, and you can do this with your smartphone and your data. And the beauty of Digistem is that it is very affordable for you to get started. So for one that wants to start, you don't need to pay huge amount of money. It's quite affordable to get started. So I'm going to be talking about two ways of getting started on Digistem, because I believe that right now you might be asking, how do I get started? So there are two ways to get started. Now the first method, which is not the best method, is just to go on digistem.com and you sign up as an affiliate, and all you just need to do is to pay 5,000 naira to pay to register as an affiliate. Why? The second method, which is the best. Now for the first method, you won't have access to a course that will teach you affiliate marketing. Secondly, you won't even have access to a support group to guide you to succeed, right? And thirdly, when you are promoting the ultimate machine course, which I'll be talking about, if you are coming in through the first method, you will only be getting 25% per sale, which is not that good, right? So let me talk about the second method of getting started. So this is the second method. The second method is by getting the ultimate money machine course. Okay, so let's look at what you get when you invest in the ultimate money machine program. Now the first thing you'll be getting is the 7-figure mindset to successfully build a profitable business that will make you steady commissions every week. Now the second one is you're going to be getting the step-by-step framework to make your first sale in less than 21 days. The third one, you're going to be learning how to generate massive quality leads on Twitter, Facebook, and WhatsApp. You're going to be doing this like a magician. It's very easy. You just need to know the practical steps. Now the fourth one is an easy way to find a crowd of people ready to follow you and buy from you, even if you don't have your own product. Now the fifth one is how to build a landing page with your smartphone. The sixth one is done for you, copy headlines for writing, copy, and content. The seventh one is how to pick a hot product that has lasting solution to 80% of your prospect problems. The eighth one is the secret objection handling formula that takes money from the pocket of your clients without having to beg or force them. The ninth one is how to run converting ads on Facebook and Instagram like a pro with your smartphone. And exclusive, you're going to be learning the secrets to generate surefire content for your business in less than 5 minutes. You'll also be learning how to convert your WhatsApp into a cash machine, and you'll be learning the easiest funnel to convert your prospects to buyers in less than 14 days. But wait, there is still more. Okay, so if you take action before the next 24 hours, you also receive this action bonuses. Now the first bonus is how to start a YouTube channel that pays you in dollars monthly with your smartphone, and the retail value is around $49.99. That's around $50. Now the second one is a business professional tools used by top marketers. You're going to get access to these tools: auto save contact, auto responders pro, marketing video maker, extract contact tools, phone book messenger tools, logo maker pro, and GIF maker pro. You'll be getting them, and the value is around $52.50. Now the third bonus is you're going to be learning how to build fantastic looking web pages without using any code, and you're going to be mastering the act of using the Elementor page builder. Now the retail value for this is $52.50. So the fourth bonus is access to our Telegram support group, where we'll be having our 7-figure weekly calls, and the retail value is around $199.99 cents, so $199 $1.99, so that's roughly 200. Now altogether these bonuses retail for one night, that's roughly 200. But if you act now, you're going to be getting them for free. You'll be getting all these bonuses that I mentioned here. You'll be getting them for free if you act right now, from now to the next 24 hours. Here's a brief summary of what you'll be getting. The ultimate money machine, valued at $120, that's around 60,000 naira. The smart YouTube monetization course is valued at $49.9, that's 25,000 naira. The business professional tools by top marketers, valued at $52.5, that's around 26,250 naira. Building fantastic looking web pages without using any code is valued at $52.50 dollars, that's 26,250 naira. A 7-figure support group or weekly calls is valued at $200, that's around 100,000 naira. And you also be getting a free Digistem affiliate 1-year account, so the total value is around $475, that's roughly 207,500 naira. So altogether, the ultimate money machine and all the accompanying bonuses total out to a value of $475. That's 237,500. But if you act now before the next 7 days, you're going to get it at 15,000 naira. Alright, so here is how to make payment. Kindly reach out to the person who gave you this video. If you have any question, ask under the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a great day.